Welcome to Clark's Place. Today we're at Cruisin to the Creek 2024, and this should be a good show. It looks like a big turnout here, even though we're expecting some rain. And this show always has a lot of loud music, so enjoy some free YouTube music occasionally during this vid. We'll go try to find Dougie Doug first, see if he wants to walk around with her. Or not us, just me. Pops has friends in town and they're out to lunch today. Might have some food, some dogs cooking there. There's a This Is the Way Corvette. With the roll bar in it. That's pretty neat. This is the 28 Dodge. '25 Nash. Well, this looks clean.
Yeah, the floor. The front floor here, this is a
Look at that. That's got to come home with me.
I got a clock. I got his holster. I can. He said, man, your wife told me to like go for it. He didn't even know what he's a. No, I didn't. Your wife said he didn't want to sell that car. It doesn't have it. You know, I got on. I listened.
Oh, 70 there? 70 Mach 1?
It's a 72.
32?
Bill McDermott.
Looks good.
There with the hat. That guy right there with the hat.
The guy in the hat, gotcha. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
I was thinking it's not a 69, but it doesn't look like a 70 either. It's a 72. Okay. Yeah, looks good.
Dad didn't come?
Dave and Diane are in town. They went to Outback Crab Shack 2 days ago. Then I brought a bunch of seafood home last night. They're like, we got to go back to Outback Steak, or not Steakhouse, Crab Shack.
Just down here?
Yeah.
Yeah. They were closed for a long time.
Yeah, they just opened up like 3 months, or 2 or 3 months ago, something like that. Yeah. What's this POS?
I don't know.
You gotta get this.
It needs a new paint job.
Where's the for sale sticker? Can I see it?
Not yet.
Looks good. This car is for sale. Contact me at clarksplace@yahoo.com.
No.
We need to
Not yet.
finance a new build.
Not yet.
maybe next year this time, and that'll be for sale.
Let's see.
That's a cool looking
It
color.
didn't, I went to start it up Thursday night just to make sure it was
This one?
dead. Yeah.
Oh, battery dead? Golly.
Power on a charger, it started right up, and then I trickle charged it.
That's where my car
Yeah.
Slow
I
charge.
got plenty of my car. No, that ain't it. People drive crazy. I don't live too far from here.
Is Rich here? Oh, I see Rich's charger over there.
Yeah, he's over there, and the guy with the blue one's down farther too.
I forget his name. He's been in all of these.
Yeah.
I didn't think there'd be as many cars considering
And there is a lot here.
how rainy it's
You
looking.
get back that way, and there's not a whole lot.
Gotcha. Yep. Well, I gotta see Rich before he gets out of here. This might be our shortest cruise to the creek video ever.
It's just a quick little passing.
I'll bet my Javelin friends they're already packed. They wouldn't even risk it.
Come.
I just saw the Javelin and thought,
Yeah, there's that one there, but the other one, the red one, didn't come.
'69 Charger RT SE 440 Magnum, 727 torque bike, 355 sure grip, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC. Rich's car still looks very nice. I didn't see he had this. So it's 69. Yeah, but yeah. Pretty good looking. Yeah, everybody's scattering.
I figured, hey, what the hell? It's just water. It'll wipe off.
Yeah.
If I stay here, it'll just wipe off. If I drive it, it'll go everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, convertible top's going up.
Yeah. Gotta put my windows up. Not a bad idea either. I probably should do that.
Why don't you go put your windows up? We're at a few raindrops and the vibe all changes. It's like ants. Everybody running and oh, I love that Porsche. Everybody's scattering like ants.
And I just got hit with a fire ant, so yeah, I get it.
I didn't know you allowed this car to get wet.
I don't. You know that.
How are you,
man?
Car's looking good.
Oh, thanks, man. Yours coming along?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out my QA1 rear 4-link.
Oh, okay.
So I'm in the middle of doing that right now.
Good luck. I'm going to get my food.
Okay. Were you warm this morning out here?
It was a little warm.
Was it?
Not that bad, honestly.
We were just dripping with the humidity.
Your cars look nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Good looking blue bed over there. That's cool. He's prepared. Rich is going home. I think that's an old Caddy. I haven't seen that car in 20 years. You're not gonna drive in the rain, are you?
I got a trailer to load it up on.
I do you? Looks good.
Thank you.
I like that one. Full blue. Yeah, that's slick. Little dots in there. Oh, Mustang, I think it's like a 74. I think they call those Mustang 2s. Pretty good looking.
They came up with a product that was a brown paper bag, wax coating on it, and seal it. And then
They're all headed for the hills. So, all right, everybody, thank you for watching Clark's Place. Hope you got to see a cool car here or there. We just had a shower and I'd say 60% of the people left. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all them goodies. We appreciate it. And we'll see you at the next show. We'll be at the Talladega track. I think it's in 2 or 3 weeks. The Aero Warriors show. So Talladegas, Superbirds, Daytonas. It's gonna be a good show. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bonus. Oh, I just love that color. I'm a fan of green.